Okay, here I'm going to show you how to change a bunk filter for a Cascadia P3 to P5. All right. Down at the bottom on the driver's side, we have a compartment. Look for the handhold in the bottom. Give a firm tug, pull the cover off. Inside you'll see the filter. Reach in, make sure the fan is off for the blower, for the bunk filter. Now, PM service has just been done on this, so this will be new for demonstration purposes. But that's the filter removed. There's a slot it was in. Then you're going to reach back in with the new filter. Insert filter until it's all the way down, like so. I'm good to go. Replace the cover. Nice push. Pop it all in place and back to go.